Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me turn the radio down before I get flagged. Guys, I'm at Menards and let me do this. Whew, it's cold, sweaty in my car. I just got done with a newborn photo shoot and I am out in Midlothian, Illinois, and let me turn this down a little bit more. And there was a Menards like 5 minutes from this mama's house, and I was telling her that I was gonna go check it out. She said that their plant selection's awesome. So I'm headed in to check out Menards Nursery. Come along with me. These look super healthy. Wow, there are some birds that are fighting over there. And these are so pretty. Shoot, I should have brought Jay with me. We so want to do flower beds. Oh, I like this. That is so pretty. Yikes. Okay, so who else likes those strawberry planters for succulents? I like when they have like the hen and chicks in them. I think it's so cute. Or like a sedum, like a trailing succulent. I might want to do that, but not for that price. No. I love this. That's what I need. Oh, I got a check. Yep. So true. I'm so boring. I didn't get any plants. I saw fungus gnats everywhere, guys. I can't do it. I know they're outside, but like when it starts to frost in Chicago, I'll have to bring them inside and I just get worried. So like buying a plant that already has fungus gnats is a no-go for me. So anyway, I'll just show you what I got. I got these 2 solar lights, which I thought were pretty cool. They're different. They have like this pattern on them and they're really heavy duty. Solar, obviously. So I'm gonna I bought 2 of them. They were $4.70 a piece, which is a little pricey, but for the weight that they're durable in my eyes and they don't seem cheap. So I'm hoping that they last and that I could find a spot in my yard where I can put them. And then I'll show you where I end up putting them. Hold on. I love you, Celine Dion. Snapple fact, Titanic is my favorite movie.
I'm flying. Jack.
If you haven't seen it, what planet are you living on? Okay, I'm home. I have my lanterns here, my solar lights, and now to see where I should put them. I'm thinking I might stick them right in between, like right there and right there to light this area up. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so the tree wasn't gonna work because there's roots at the base of the tree, and it was like, no, you're not sticking a stake in my roots, lady. Move on to the next location. So I did. And it might be a little silly, but I'll show you where I put it. So I put it underneath this little stool. I couldn't go any more further this way because there's rocks there, but I figured it would kind of light up this area. So I thought that would be cute. And then I put the other one in my other planter. There's ivy growing up here and along the log, and then there's that lemon coral sedum. So I thought that would just be pretty, and it's like at the end of the log there. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Nothing that interesting. They finally picked up our tree cuttings, and we found out that our tree may possibly need to be cut down because it is a gigantor tree that is not supposed to get that big. No, it's not. It's reaching the heavens, and they never trimmed it, so we might have to cut it down. I don't know. And we might cut it down to like right here so that we could keep this. I don't know. Hey guys, do you want to lower it down a decibel? Jazzy? Jazzy. So anyway, lots of randomness in this video, but thanks for joining me on that little trip to Menards. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you guys have a Menards near you, let me know what you think of their selection. I thought they had a very like wide variety of plants and houseplants mixed with like annuals and perennials and all that, but fungus gnats, guys, like invasion of the fungus gnats. So I know it's inevitable in places like that, but to be honest, I prefer to shop. I know prices are better at places like big box stores, Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's. I just honestly would rather shop at a tiny local plant nursery shop. I mean, like, I could walk in and it could be like the Sill, you know, and which I'm going to next week. Stay tuned for that video. I'm so excited. And it'd be like a tiny little spot with like 10 plants to choose from, and I look at them and they're healthy and they're happy and their soil's not sogging wet and there's no bugs anywhere. Like, I'll pay an extra $5 for a plant, you know, in a scenario like that. So I don't know, preference. What's your preference? You let me know, and let me know what your Menards has and if there was invasion of the fungus gnats at your Menards. Thanks so much again, guys. I hope you like my little cheesy lantern setup there. And I appreciate all your comments as always, and your subscriptions. Subscribe if you're not already. And thanks, guys. I'll see you in my next one.